Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So I've been getting some questions recently about what tint do I have on the truck. So right here I am going to go over what tint I have on here. So if you guys have seen some of my other videos, you would know I've briefly talked about it before. But when I bought the truck, it had that privacy glass on the back, so it was like 20% on the back or whatever it is, and I ended up getting 5% thrown over the whole thing. So it's got 5% in the front and it's like 3% or so in the back. So you can't even see through right now. You honestly can't even see through it during the day either, when it's super bright outside, and when it is totally pitch black you 100% cannot see it at all. But we'll go ahead, open the door here. And so this is what it looks like. In the front we actually have just straight up 5%, and in the back we've got like 3% or so. So that's 3% versus 5%. It's probably hard to tell right now, but I can definitely tell in person. It is definitely darker in the back. Kind of hard to tell, but it's darker in the back than it is in the front. And you can tell that from like right here too. You can see just 5% versus 3%. And on the windshield also, we have got 45% across the whole windshield with a 5% brow up top. So we've got about 4% as the brow and 45 on the whole windshield, because it's 45 kind of on the bottom with the 5% thrown over the top. So about 4% brow with the 45 on the windshield, 5 right here, about 3 back here. So it's pretty dark, really hard to see in during the day. I guess you could see in a little bit in the front here, but not much at all. And in the back, you just can't see in at all. So go ahead, show you guys what the front looks like. So here's what that looks like. This is just straight, just regular light versus our 45%. Not a huge difference, but when you are driving, you can notice it, especially when you've got the window down or something like that. You can definitely notice a difference. So here is our 4% versus 5%. You can tell it is a hint darker, and in the back it's even darker than this because it's 3% in the back. So when we get up into the truck, here's our 45%. Like I said, looks very similar to outside. You can notice a little bit of a difference here. Not by much, but you can notice a difference. We've got 45% here, about 4% right here, 5% here, and then in the rear you can actually notice more when I'm in the truck with no doors open or anything. We do have like 3% or so right here. So 5, 3, and then in the back we've got the same thing. So this is the same as this, so they're both about 3%. When you're driving at night, looking through your mirror here, it's definitely hard to see behind you. So you just hope, if you're driving in town, everyone has their headlights on, or else there is a possibility you might hit somebody. So I guess if you're driving at night and you have the opportunity to roll your windows down, I would say go ahead and do it. But yeah, there we go. There's a quick little overview or whatever of the tint I have on the truck in total. So the tint on the rear, or just the tint on excluding the windshield, I guess, was $200 for all that, and on the windshield it was $130. To do everything in the back was $200, because it was $100 for this side and the back, $100 for the front, and then it was $100 for the whole windshield, and then $30 for the brow. So in total, this whole thing cost me $330, and it would have been $330 for whatever tint I did. If I would have went like 50% on literally everything, then it would have still cost me the same amount. So if I'm gonna get charged the same, just as well go as dark as I can and do it how I want it to be. But I think that's about it for this video. Little short one, but just a little explanation of what I have here. So if you guys have any other questions or comments about it, please drop a comment down below and let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.